Military reforms of Sher Shah. Sher Shah had a large and well-trained army. They were infantry, a cavalry, and war elephants. The army was divided into smaller units and put under separate commanders. Soldiers were given the ranks according to the size of the unit they commanded, and he recruited soldiers personally or by himself only, and their salaries were fixed and paid to them directly. He adopted the system of Dag and Chera that was introduced by the ruler of Khilji dynasty Alauddin Khilji for the soldiers and the horses. Soldiers were kept in cantonments situated in different parts of empire. Cantonments, a town or village where a permanent military station is built. Works of public welfare. He constructed a network of very high quality roads connecting every part of the empire. Around 1700 rest houses or sarais were built at regular intervals. Those sarais were helpful to the traveler and for their horses also, as it had stables and water supply. These sarais had separate rooms for Hindus and Muslims. It helped and developed into centers of trade in many cities were around the sarais. Sarais. Trees were planted along the streets to ease traveling, and officers called muqaddams muqaddams were appointed to ensure safety on the roads. The sarais also served as dak chowkis dakchowkis to deliver mail. Mails or letters were delivered from one dak chowki to another. Kosminars kosminars or distance markers or milestones were erected at distance of every 3 kilometers. Trade and commerce. Many safety measures were used for the growth of trade and commerce. Taxes were asked to be paid in a judicious manner. A right amount of cash or kind only were asked from the people, and taxes were collected very honestly. Foreign trade was also very successful, and taxes were collected at 2 points, in the East Point and the West Point. He introduced silver coin called Rupia, rupiah. Art and architecture. He was a great patron of art and architecture. He rebuilt the city of Delhi. His fort in Delhi, the Purana Kila, still stands today. It has a beautiful mosque called Kilai Khana, Quilai and the Sher Mandal, Shermandal, was used as library by Humayun. His tomb, Tomb, at Sasaram in Bihar is surrounded by a beautiful artificial lake. He supported scholars like Malik Muhammad Jayasi, Muhammadjayasi, who wrote Padmavati, Padmavati, during the reign of Sher Shah.